Hey, Garcon. Yeah, here.
Why, yes, sir. How can I help you today?
What's the special today?
Well, today we have the Black Angus 90-10 lean hamburger served with a fried onion, sliced cherry tomatoes, topped with cheese and chopped greens, with a toasted sourdough bun and mayonnaise, ketchup, or barbecue sauce to your liking.
Why, thank you. That sounds lovely. I think I will have that.
Thank you, sir, for coming to the Stiliakunin Recreation Area Truck Camper Dining Hall. May I say, sir, for a man of your station in life, perhaps maybe a hot dog would be more appropriate. And there's the burger frying. 90-10 Black Angus. It's actually not really my favorite. I like 80-10, 80-20 better. There is the sourdough with mayonnaise and Stubbs barbecue sauce. And this is the other slice with mayonnaise, a little bit of Heinz sweet relish, and there you see the fried red onions and sliced cherry tomato. And then, when the burger's done, we're going to make burnt cheese to put on top. Burnt cheese is so tasty. All right.
Look at that. Look at that burger. It's got the fried red onions, fried cherry tomato, cheese. Boy, does that look good. Okay, chow time. By the way, that server, he thought it was pretty special, and I dealt with him. His name was Dalton.